Welcome back, everybody. Today we are going to go over my tool haul from the Harbor Freight sale. Of course, I got the ITC, so I got 30% off of anything that was $20 and under. So let's go ahead and get started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the smallest and work my way up to the biggest thing I got. The first thing I picked up was some Gojo hand cleaner. Like I always say, these kind of deals are the time to pick your consumables up because you get a smoking deal on them. These were originally $3.99. And then the sales price is $2.79 with 30% off on it. Now the next thing I picked up was some Grant's microfiber towels. I absolutely love these. I got a smaller pack of these as a free gift to try them out. I used to use the Walmart ones and buy those all the time. But I'll tell you guys right now, even at regular price, these are a deal. I absolutely love these and have switched over to them. Now the sales price on the regular price on these was $5.99, which is a smoking deal itself. And then with the 30% off, this was $4.19. Not a bad deal at all. Now this next thing I originally said I was going to get, if you watch my original video on the 30% off and what to look for, I'll leave a card up above for you guys to check that out because this is Saturday. There is still time left. Watch that video and I give you some ideas. But the one thing I picked up was the headlight restoration kit. I have to do my car and I got all-to-one LED headlights I'm going to be putting into it. And I got to do a video on it, but I wanted to clean my headlights first to make them look good for the video. So I figured I would try this headlight cleaning system out here just to see, because even at regular price, this is a deal compared to the Mother's one I was using. So on this one, the regular price on this was $13.99. Sales price on this with a 30% off was $9.79. Now the next thing I got, if you watched that video also, I said I was going to pick up, and I did. What I have on this one is going to be the Pittsburgh lubricant suction gun. The reason why I picked this up is I got a couple of cars that's got dirty power steering fluid in it. And I'll do a video on this and show you how I suck the fluid out of the reservoir. And then I keep filling it a little bit until the fluid comes out clean. Leave a comment down below. I'm going to do a video on that. But if you would like one just on the power steering system, leave a comment down below on that. But this was a really good deal too. I couldn't pass up. This one was $13.99 regular price and $9.79 with a 30% off. Great time to pick something up like this. Now they say you could pick 5 items, and I did pick 5 items this time. This last thing I picked up, I wanted to pick something up that was on instant savings because I've heard some people say their store won't do it, which I don't get it because instant savings is just the new low price on it. So what I picked up here was the 3/8 drive Pittsburgh Pro torque wrench. The reason why I picked this up is I've got a Capri 1/2 inch one, but that only goes down to like 50 foot-pounds. This does a lot smaller, so that's why I picked it up. Figured for this price, couldn't beat it. Now the instant savings price on this one, let me find it here, was $14.99 on instant savings, and then with the 30% off, I paid $10.49 for it. For a click torque wrench, $10.49. That is a smoking deal. I know somebody's got to be out there picking up a 1/4, 3/8, and a 1/2 inch on this just so they have them. So there you go. That's what I picked up for my 5 items. Now I've had people ask me, I don't know personally. Leave a comment down below if you know. Some people ask me if you could do it daily. I'm going to say yes. It was Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So I'm going to guess you could do it all the days. Unfortunately, I don't have enough money to go every day. But what I can tell you is I will be doing a video on this headlight kit, and I will be doing the video on this suction gun here to check both of these out. Leave a comment down below if you're excited to see a video on both of these and how they work. Also, don't forget to check the description down below. Down there, I have my link tree. My link tree has affiliate accounts that do help out the channel. Some got discount codes to save you money. That helps me buy stuff like this to do videos with. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are One Nation Under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.